Welcome to Aiden AI, the channel where we explore the most powerful AI tools shaping the future. Here you'll find honest AI reviews, hands-on tests, and simple breakdowns of tools that can help you create faster, work smarter, and stay ahead in the AI world. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, developer, or just curious about artificial intelligence, this channel helps you discover what's actually worth using. If you want to keep up with the latest AI innovation and tools, make sure to subscribe and let's explore the future of AI together.
Most people use AI to write emails or generate code, but if you're running a business, a very practical application is using the AI sourcing features built into Alibaba.com to simplify product sourcing. Traditionally, finding the right supplier meant scrolling through endless listings, sending cold emails, and guessing profit margins. Today, I'm going to show you how using AI mode on Alibaba.com and Alibaba Lens on Alibaba.com can help you potential sourcing costs, match verified suppliers at factory-level prices, and jumpstart your sourcing workflow. When you go to the Alibaba.com homepage, you'll see AI mode right at the top of the search bar. Instead of typing random keywords into a search bar, it acts as an intelligent assistant. For example, I can enter a specific prompt. I'm looking for a reliable supplier for custom-branded wireless lavalier microphones for content creation. Instead of an unstructured list of random products, it delivers a structured breakdown, matching potential suppliers, price ranges in USD, and minimum order quantities, or MOQ. You can filter for verified suppliers whose qualifications are officially audited by third-party inspection companies, helping you narrow down your list with confidence. Right within the conversation, AI mode on Alibaba.com can help draft an inquiry email tailored to your request. It's important to note that it drafts the message for you. It doesn't send anything automatically. You maintain complete control to adjust product specs, ask about custom logos, and refine your order details before sending it out to suppliers. The second tool is Alibaba Lens on Alibaba.com, which is a Chrome browser extension. When you're researching product trends across mainstream e-commerce platforms and spot a design that fits your audience, you don't have to guess the key terms. Simply launch the Alibaba Lens extension, snap a screenshot of the item, and search. It brings up visual matches from verified suppliers on Alibaba.com, allowing you to explore potential factory-level prices and check for customization options like custom packaging or logo printing. Beyond these AI sourcing features, what makes Alibaba.com practical for growing businesses are its core platform protections. First, access to over 200,000 verified suppliers globally. Second, flexible low MOQ options and customization support, which allow new sellers to test smaller batches without taking on heavy inventory risks. And third, trade assurance, providing order protection to help safeguard your purchases regarding product quality and on-time dispatch, subject to terms and conditions. If you want to streamline your sourcing workflow, click the link in the description to download the Alibaba.com app and start sending inquiries directly to verified suppliers today. I'd love to know, what product category are you planning to source for your business next? Drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.